In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle in Elementor WordPress. So in order to do this, we first need to head over and integrate Elementor into our website. We will use WordPress for that. So under this case, just head over and log into your WordPress account if you do have one. But if you do not have one yet, click on this Get Started option that we can see right here. Now, in order to integrate WordPress and Elementor, you need to be able to install a plugin. So you will only be able to install a plugin if you have the business plan right here. We have the special offer of 933 pesos per month for a year. So in this case, what you can do is here is the actual website that I have created. So in order to make a circle, we need to head over right here to our elements. And you can see in here all of the widgets. So you can just scroll down and then locate the option for the shape option. So you can click on this search and you can search in here for shape. But if you do not have that, you can just go over and add in here icon. Input that wherever you want to put it. I'll put it above this particular button. And as you can see, here is our icon. So in here, you can go over to your icon library, and on default, it's actually a star. But if you want to make a circle, you can scroll down and then locate the circle option. So you have in here a lot of icons that we can. So you can also just click onto this filter and search in here for circle. And in here, we have a lot of circle. We only have in here this blank circle, dot circle, circle notch, as well as a lot more. I'll just choose in here the circle and click onto this insert, and as you can see, here it is. You can change its view by stack or by actual frame. You can change its view. I'll just choose default and you can insert a link on that. You can change its style and colors, primary colors, sizes, and you can also change its layout, aligning, and the likes. So that's how you make a circle in Elementor WordPress. I hope this video helped you out.